Now suppose third system whose output yn is given as 1 by 3 xn plus 1 plus xn plus xn minus 1. So this is the system characteristic which is given by these equations. So in order to find yn we need three things: xn plus 1, xn, and xn minus 1. Okay, so first of all I write xn. What is this? This is 0 3 2 1 0 1 2 3 0 and like that. Okay, so both ends will continue with 0. So xn minus 1 we have already seen in the previous example. This will become 0 0 3 2 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, and 0 and it will continue again xn plus 1. So we know that when we add something to this n, the signal xn gets shifted to the left by this amount, which is 1 in this case. So how it will look like? This was origin in this case. In this case this was the origin. In this case it will become 2 3, not the 2, sorry, this will become 1, sorry, this will become 1 0 1 2 3 0 and all that. Here it will become 2 3 0 0, all that. Now all these things are added. So at 0 it becomes 2, at 2 it becomes 3, at 1 it becomes 3, at 2 it becomes 3 plus 1 plus 2 and 6, and like that. All those values are computed and each and every value is divided by 3, I think, because there is 1 by 3 factor. So in this way we can compute the output. And there may be the various examples you can find in the book itself. Example 2.21 you need to go through and practice by your own in the Prokij book. J Prokij. Next thing is the different discrete time systems. So there may be different kind of discrete time systems. So first of all I am taking the adder. What is adder? Suppose adder adds two signal, so it takes two signal, adder two signal as an input. So a system may take many inputs and may give many outputs. So this is taking two input x1 and x2. In this case it is giving only one output yt. Okay, so since this is adder, so it adds 2 with x1 t plus x2 t. Okay, other may be constant multiplier. So how to represent that? We can represent it in the form of block, but here we use this formula convention. xn, it takes a, it gives yn, which is given by a into xn. Okay, so there may be other kind of very well known examples, that is example of system called unit delay. It is denoted generally by Z inverse, takes input xn, gives output yn, okay, which is equal to xn minus 1.